So this is 2008 Hummer H3 Alpha, and a couple of weeks ago I started having problems with battery discharging and not holding a charge. Actually, it died on the road and then couldn't figure out what it was. I thought it was a battery. I took it in and they said, no, it is your alternator. So I got a new one, and I've never done this before, so I just installed it myself. And this is the old one. This is the brand I went with through AutoZone. It's actually pretty good. It was about $360 for parts, and took me probably like an hour to do it. So if anybody needs any help with it, I'll be more than happy to walk you through, because like I said, I'm brand new. I don't know how to do these myself, so I actually watched a couple of videos and talked to some people and was able to do it. Thank you.